So I could not be happier with the status of my baby. It's a few days away from being complete. It's a little dusty, but it's really coming together. I'm really happy with in all respects. And Gary and Rocky, look at them, all three of them. And do not kill Gary until he's done with my car. I think it's a BMW, but the point well made. Yeah, you got to finish before death. Yeah. Are you putting the alternator in now? Is that what you're doing? Yeah. Is it tough, or is it just a bolt-in thing? There was a bunch of instructions about, the window if it's not the alternator. Right. But if you guys you want, I can probably get someone to take a look at it.
I think most of the time when I set it up, I have to charge my body.
Oh, really? Because it's like, because they said like you put the back window down and the front window up, and as I look here, Gary, just FYI, there's okay, fairly, you see, yeah, so.
Well, and then I didn't realize that it was hitting here either.
Oh, really?
Because that changed everything. So when I was doing the adjustments, the door was open,
Oh.
and everything was happy. As soon as I closed it, it went to shit.
So amazing. You guys are really down to brass tacks. Can I open this door? Is that okay?
Yep.
Oh, it's got some tape on it. So we did not do the interior other than the wood. And the wood looks nice.